Okay guys, just in case you don't know who I am, my name's Lee Woodruff. I've had a handful of amateur fights, about 10 pro fights, one half, lost half, unbeaten in EBF, won a box for the Northern Area title, defended that a couple of times. But I have learned a lot from sparring, quality of sparring, travelling around to different gyms around the northwest. Got the Collier's gym, you know, sparred with the likes of Robin Reed, Gary Lockett, David Barnes, Michael Jennings, all different types of weight, you know, Huey Fury, Tyson Fury. So I've had a good mixture of sparring, and that's where I felt like I've learned most of my experience through the years. Not boxing, and hopefully this will be some information for you to get you started, maybe just in your bedroom or on a punch bag, or in the gym because you don't know what you're doing. If you follow these steps, I'll teach you the basics: how to shadow box, how to throw your left jab, your right hand, 1-2, 1-2, left up. And then you can go to the gym and you can hit the bag without feeling, am I doing this right, am I doing it wrong? You can practice at home, you can get a bag in the back garden, go in the garage. Different options, guys. Watch this video, and I used to watch the same things 100 times to try and repeat, you know, to get perfect. So, I always like to start off, if you're working in close, these are the shots you want to be throwing ideally. You've got different types of hooks, uppercuts, and different types of hooks, depending on how close you are to your opponent. So how I like to start with, I'm teaching someone to throw the right uppercut. I like to get them to come a little bit, not as side on, just a little bit more squarer on, because it's going to be thrown on the inside. I like the elbow to stay into the ribs, and it's just a little drop. You're only dropping the elbow down, and then you're driving it through the middle. You drop it down, driving it through. You could even try and do this by keeping your legs straight to start with, just to get the motion of actually driving that shot through. Then obviously when you get a little bit better, you can get back to your normal stance, a little bit of bend on your back leg, and drive it straight through. So look, it will come straight through, your hands are turning over. These are the two knuckles that are driving through, straight through the middle. Straight through the middle of the guy's face. So this is going to knock his head up. This is a short uppercut. So watch. So that elbows in, and turn your hand, drop it down, bam, through the middle. Don't want to be travelling too far. You come back all the way here, the other guy's going to see it. This wants to be a short uppercut. There's a time for a big one. For now, this is a short uppercut. Bam, straight through the middle, straight through the middle. Leave elbow in, not cocked out. Straight through the middle, in close uppercut. Yeah? So bam. So bring your hand down. You could drive the other guy's chin right up and expose the left duck. Now watch. The left duck. Okay, so we've got the uppercut, bam, through the middle, and then the left duck. Another good shot to throw. Put your left duck in good motion. So, bam, bam. And a little twist. Straight through the middle, head up, bam. Left up, elbow 90 degrees. Turn your hand that way or thumb up, depending how you feel something. Again, a little twist on the front foot, turn on the hips. You're in close, working in close. Hands nice and tight, elbows in. Coming a little bit squarer when you're in close. You get a little bit more power behind the shot. Straight through the middle, left up. Can be jab. You know, you could be jab, jab. Got your guy against the ropes. Yeah, bam. You want to let go of some short shot, powerful. You know, bam. Let him look. The right uppercut go. Bring his head up. Finish him off with the left hook. Okay. I'm going to run through the right uppercut, left hook, and 3 different bags so you can see it from 3 different angles. Don't forget, this is an enclosed combination. You want to be not too square on, just a little bit more, not too side on, just a little bit more square on. You want your feet a little bit more square, get a little bit more power behind. Because you've got this guy normally, you normally might have him against the ropes, or you might have him pretty, he might be close up pretty tight. You want to get a little bit more power behind your shots. So you uppercut, straight through the middle, and bring his head up. And then to the left. Again. Yeah, go forward. Okay, so you close, go a little bit faster. You're in close there, your hands up nice and tight, elbows in. Looking for that shot through the middle. Doesn't have to be a big one. You just bring you off with the left hook. Look, turn, look, twist. You have to twist a little bit. So you're there. Here it goes. Again. Go. So here it goes. Okay, go on to a different bag. I'll show you from a different angle. Okay, yet again, different bag, different angle. Obviously the bag shape is slightly a bit different, but same principle. Feet a little bit more squarer to the opponent. You're a bit more closer. You're looking for that distance. You're looking just to drive that uppercut up. Watch, drive the uppercut up. Your chin's down, their chin's going to be up. What comes after the uppercut? The left hook. 90 degrees. Watch again. Here it goes. You might be doing a bit of moving. You're there. Bringing that head up. Really close, really close. Bit harder to connect with this one because obviously the bag's not shaped as much as the other one, but it's a good example. Sometimes the guy's chin might just be there, so you might need to get that little bit of space and just drive it straight through the middle. You know, yeah? You've got different combinations to fall after the left hook, and we'll talk about them on the next video. If you like this video and you want more content, please subscribe and like. Thank you.